Hi, I'm Mr. Boylen, and this is Rough Country Repair, the automotive training program at United Technical Center. We are an ASE accredited training program. Here at Rough Country Repair, we focus our training for the modern day automotive industry. With safety being the first priority, students will acquire an OSHA 10 industry credential. The use of web-based curriculum allows students to have unlimited access to all program area materials. As an embedded component of the program, students will be able to gain 1 math credit while studying automotive technology. Automotive technology is designed to be a 2-year program for completion. First-year students attend United Technical Center in the morning session, while second-year students attend the afternoon session. Students completing the program and meeting the state minimum requirements may also have the opportunity to sit and test for the West Virginia State Inspection License. Come and take a tour of our shop real quick. We continue our training to cover vehicle maintenance and develop skills for strategy-based diagnostic and repair for various areas of the automobile that include HVAC, electrical and electronics, front end and suspension, brakes, drivetrain, transmission maintenance, engine repair, and tire and wheels. Thank you for coming to visit us today here at Rough Country Repair. If you have any further questions or concerns about the program, please feel free to call the school, follow us on our Facebook page or our website, or you may contact me also at my email address listed above.